Thanks for choosing Elite Imaging Systems for your copier and printer needs. When it's time to replace your toner container, you'll find this step-by-step process easy to follow. You'll first be instructed by a Kyocera printer copier to replace toner. Now open your main toner door. There are 4 toner container doors here alongside 2 sets of instructions, one showing how to prepare your new toner and replace old containers, and the other shows you how to replace your waste container. We'll go over these instructions in detail within this video. Before removing your empty toner container, first open your new toner. Inside you'll find a bag. You'll want to open this up, as we'll utilize this to properly dispose of your empty container. To remove your empty container, simply give it a firm pull. Afterwards, wrap the container in the bag provided in your new toner box. Now, you can safely discard your old container. Next, remove your new toner from the box. You'll want to shake the container 5 to 6 times vertically to ensure the toner is moving freely for print. Insert the container all the way into the machine. Give it a good push and listen for a click to ensure it's secure. You may now close the front cover. When it comes to the black toner, there are a few extra steps you need to be aware of. When your black toner is empty, you won't be discarding your empty container. Instead, you'll use this to replace your waste container. When your black toner container is empty, you must always replace your waste container, regardless of if it is full or not. Now you can take your new black toner and replace the empty container. Put the bag that comes with it aside for now and shake the container 5 to 6 times before inserting it into the printer copier. Remember to push until you hear a click to ensure it's securely installed before closing the main toner door. Below the door, near the bottom of the machine, you'll find a small door for the waste container. This container can be removed the same way as other containers, and you'll discard this container by wrapping it in the provided disposal bag. Make sure the container is the right way before inserting it into the waste toner slot. Again, push until you hear a click to make sure it's secure. Close the door and you'll be ready to continue using your equipment. Should you run into any issues, visit our support page in your customer portal at EliteImagingSystems.com or call us for product support. And remember, it's what's behind the print that makes us elite.